He's giving him the thing, the glowworm, a long kiss. He's going like this. Ew. What's that stinky